SHASHIBO is a brand that creates unique and interactive 3D magnetic puzzle boxes that can be transformed into multiple shapes and designs. The SHASHIBO box is made up of 36 magnetic cubes that can be arranged and rearranged in a variety of ways to create different patterns and shapes. To buy. The link is in the description from Amazon. One of the key features of the SHASHIBO is its ability to shape shift into different forms. This means that you can twist and turn the cubes to create a variety of geometric shapes, including a cube, a pyramid, a star, and more. The SHASHIBO also has hidden magnets that allow you to connect multiple boxes together to create larger and more intricate designs. The SHASHIBO is designed to be a fun and engaging puzzle toy that can be enjoyed by both kids and adults. It can be used to improve hand-eye coordination, spatial reasoning, and problem-solving skills. The SHASHIBO is also a great stress reliever and fidget toy, as it can be manipulated and transformed in a variety of ways. Overall, the SHASHIBO is a unique and innovative toy that offers endless possibilities for creativity and play. Its high-quality construction and durable design make it a great value for its price. If you're looking for a fun and engaging puzzle toy that can be enjoyed by the whole family, the SHASHIBO is definitely worth considering.